A great nation is built on a strong foundation. And one of the things that we're going to be required to do is to lead in building a very strong social contract. The jobs that we need a strong foundation. The recovery of our agricultural sector needs a strong foundation. The rebuilding of our health infrastructure, all of that needs a strong foundation. Each and every one of us has a vested interest in the development of every province in this country. These are exciting times, and many of us are part of this great awakening. You know, when you go up the top of the mountain, when you elevate your vision above your problems, you can see what Zimbabwe can be. We have so many resources in this country. We have a proud and resilient people. It's not by accident that we are called Zimbabwe, a house built on stone. There's something about that speaks to the resilience even of the Zimbabwean themselves. And you look over these several years, we have stood, we have endured. But now it is time to turn that resilience into efforts to rebuild this country. And Zimbabwe is going to be one of the greatest countries, not just in Africa, but in the world, because we have a very strong foundation.